When you finish with a stick of butter, either from baking or filling up your butter dish, don't just throw that wrapper in the trash. Instead, fold it in half and put it in the fridge to let the remaining butter harden. This wrapper makes the perfect tool for greasing a pan when your recipe calls for it, like it does in these incredible boxed mix brownies from scratch from Weeknight Baking.